Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophia. This is your first time here on my channel. You're highly welcome to another shopping haul. Okay guys, so let's get into today's video. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up guys. Thank you. Okay guys, so today I have Tesco shopping haul for you guys. Okay, it's Christmas, so I have some Christmas food items here. Okay, so this is more like Christmas shop, Tesco Christmas stuff, food and other household stuff. Okay guys, so that's what I have here. Not only Christmassy food or stuff, yeah, but as old things as well. Okay, so let me bring the camera over here so that you guys can see what I have on the table clearly. Okay guys, all right guys, as you guys can see, I have some Christmas items here, and also I have some normal household stuff, things I normally get, not random things I normally get when I go to any shop. Okay, so we're going to start over here. So over here I have some bubble foam, bubble bath, bubble foam. Okay, yeah, I got two of this particular one, and then I also got two of this one as well. And then over here I got my glass and window and glass cleaner. My plantain shapes just fell on the floor, so over here I got some plantain shape. This is the green one, and then the one that fell on the floor is paprika. I bought two paprika. And sweet chili, I got two sweet chili over there, and then I got only one of the green one. Okay, so one of the paprika just fell on the floor. And over here I have 3 mayonnaise, got 3. So everything here is from Tesco. So this is Tesco food haul, Tesco grocery haul. Okay guys, yeah, so over here I have Tesco's orange juice smooth. As you can see, I got 2 of these, 2 of them there. And then I came across this drink as well from Tesco, so I decided to get this apple, lemon and ginger juice just to try. I also pick up another flavor there, forest fruit. So got one of each. And also I got some ketchup. This is the big ketchup. This is 1 pound. So this one is about oh, I didn't even look at this one. It's the reduced one, reduced sugar. I didn't even look at it. No wonder it's a pound. The other one is less than a pound. This is 845. Okay, so yeah, I didn't look at it. That's the reduced one. Yeah, so I got 3 of it anyway. So that's 1, 2, 3. I got 3 of it. And then over here I got some kitchen towel. There's 8 in there. This was £2.50 or £2.30, I think the man said. Yeah, so I bought just one. There's 8 in there. Let's go around the table. And then over here I saw this yogurt. I just thought I would try it, so I bought just 1 of the yogurt. And I bought some coleslaw. I bought this coleslaw because it's not going to expire until the 27th of December, so I bought 2, as you can see. So it's not going to expire until 27th of December, so we can still use it for Christmas if we haven't finished eating it by then. Okay, so I bought 2 of them. And then I also bought this is for sandwich chicken roll. I bought 4 of them. There's 4 of them in there. And then over here I bought some peanuts, some crunchy coated peanuts, 1. And I bought some eggs. There's 15 in the pack, so I bought 2. Over here I bought some cheese ball, so you guys can see. Let me go around so you can see properly. So I bought some cheese ball. There's 2 of them there, as you guys can see already. Okay, so going around the table again, I got some cheese here. I got the matured cheddar. I got 2 of it. These are for sandwich anyway. I got 2 of that, and I got the medium one too as well. And then I got some cornflakes. There's 2 cornflakes, 1, 2. And then over here I got some malt wheat, 2 of them. And over here, coming to Christmas item, I bought this shortbread, which is very yummy. I've tasted it before, so I decided to buy it. The one I tasted, someone gave it to us as a gift, but we've ate it already. So I decided to buy it. It's really yummy. It's £3 or £3.50, something like that. I think club card, because I have club card, so it was £3 or £2 something. But if you don't have club card, it's about £3 or £3.50 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So it's very, very nice anyway, very yummy. And then I got quality street, because the one I got before, we have to give it to the children's school. Okay, yeah, because it's Christmas time, so we have to give it to the teachers in the children's school. So I got another one for us for Christmas. So just one of that. Okay, so I got Doritos, one of this heat wave, chili heat wave, and the cheese one, Tango cheese. Okay, and then over here I got my Calipo. Those that know me knows I like Calipo a lot. Just one, I got just one. And over here I got some printy papers for my printer. I got 2 of them. Okay guys, so coming down here, let's put those there. Coming down here, I got this Tesco Easy Clean microfiber fabric cloths. Okay, and then I also got toothpaste. I got 3 toothpaste. And then over here I got some cough syrup for the children for their coughing. And then I also have some 6 gel pens. So over here guys, I got some shower curtain. This shower curtain was £2, and it has the clips inside. It's £2. It's plain, but it's very cheap. I like it. I don't mind it. Yeah, I'm not even sure if this is the washable one. I always like the washable one, but I'm not so sure if this is the washable one. Anyway, I'll read it later if it's the one you can wash and reuse. Okay, but it was £2, so yeah. And then I got some full brief for the children. I got for the girls. These are for the girls, so I got 2 for each of them. Yeah, I got 2 for each of them, so there's 4 of them. I think the other one is hidden somewhere. But okay, it's over here. Yeah, quite nice. They're quite nice. So I got 2 for the 2 of them. So that's like 5 in a pack, so that's like 10. Yeah. So I also got some biscuits, some rich tea biscuits. I got 3 rich tea biscuits, and I got 3 ginger nut biscuits. I got 3 of them. I also got this biscuit is about to 4. Yeah, so I got the custard cream biscuit. I got 4 of them. And then over here I got the, what do you call this one, digestive. I got 4 of it. This one was about to fall down. This was about to fall down, so I quickly hold it. Yeah, so I got 4 of them. And over here I got bagels, plain bagels. I got 2 plain bagels. Okay, so there's 2 plain bagels there. Then over here I got bread. There's 4 bread. They're just on top of each other. Okay, yeah, so there's 4 of them. And then also Christmas, this is for Christmas, so I got one of these Fox biscuits. Yeah, this was £3, yeah. And then I got this one they were doing what do you call it, mashing Aldi price in Tesco. They were trying to mash Aldi price in Tesco with this biscuit. So it was £1.50, which I was just amazed. I was like, wow, so they're trying to compete with with Aldi. Yeah, they're trying to compete with Aldi, so they are mashing the price for this biscuit, and this biscuit was £1.50. So I bought 3. I'm like, well, it's cheap. I feel it's cheap, so I end up buying 3. 1, 2, 3. And then this one I was going to buy 2 of these, but I'm like, oh, I'll buy it another time. I'll buy 3. I'll buy 1 more to make it 2. Okay. Yeah, what else? I think I'll show you guys the eggs. I'll show you guys, oh, Weetabix. We bought some Weetabix as well. We got some Weetabix over here, guys. So we have wheat biscuit there. I got 2 wheat biscuits. I think that's about it, actually. Yeah, because of say I have a club card and I got a club card voucher. Before the club card was scanned, everything was £122, but I did have a voucher of £3.50, you know, and then some other things, I don't know, but anyway, everything here came down to £114, guys. Yeah, so everything here on the table came down from £122 to £114. Okay, so yeah, so that's my Tesco shopping haul for you guys today. Okay guys, yeah, I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please, if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, leave me a comment and let me know if you enjoyed this type of videos so I can make more of them. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you all being here watching my video. Merry Christmas. Thanks guys. Catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.